Well, I am finally getting the rest of the kitchen done. I have put it off and put it off and put it off until I can bear it no more. I suppose part of the reason being that this is a wee bit of a dodgy angle up here. Anyway, I'm getting it done. First coat going on. Oh yes. I feel triumphant. I do, yes. It's just a matter of keeping the momentum going. Painting around all these nails. There's no point in me even attempting to take these masonry nails out, because this old stone wall might start to expel stones. So here I am in the light, and you can see my hair. So up I went to Enniskillen yesterday and to my hairdresser Paul, and I just asked him, look, I said, cut out all the previously dyed hair because there's no point in having it anymore. And I know it's going to be a wee bit extreme, but I can live with that. I prefer to see the colour it really is now and let that grow out. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased. So here we are, or here I am, Monday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. I've been working on the garden, the woodland, the road frontage, chopping, cutting, mowing, trimming, anything at all other than getting on with what I should be getting on with, which is in the kitchen, decorating. So, yeah, I am still working on the kitchen and it will be finished very soon. It's about 3 o'clock on Monday afternoon and I'm hoping to get this video up later on today or maybe tomorrow. So I'm off down to Sligo to get the material for my little curtains and the tablecloth. I've got some painting left to do, and when I come back I'm going to finish that off. And I'll probably be a wee bit knackered by that point, in which case I will more than likely put the video up tomorrow. You've been very patient, but it has been a very long, arduous, kind of boring task. And I've done anything and everything other than get up that ladder. So I've been doing some massive work out in the garden and the woodland. Such is life. Anyway. Well, this is about 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning. It's about 8:30. I've been up since 7, and between yesterday evening and this morning, I've managed to do a massive cutback. Yeah, very much needed, especially as we're coming into the autumn here in Ireland, which of course is what Lunas is all about. So all my plants and shrubs were encroaching on my little parking area up here. And as you can see, I've cleared along. I've cut down the pyracantha, I've taken out perscaria, which is growing onto the driveway. And yeah, very pleased with all my work so far. Lot more work to do, mind you, but I am getting there. There's my tools on the bench. Have a good day, everyone. Okay, so off I went to Sligo and I got the material. I've got plenty of it, so if there's anything left over, I can do some little things with it. But this is going to replace the curtains over there and a curtain along here and a tablecloth. So I'm thinking this was the right choice. It did take me quite a long time, as I didn't have a colour in mind. I mean, I'm trying to keep with the general sort of yellow and duck egg blue without being overwhelming. Anyway, I won't be able to tell properly until this material is up and on. Yeah. It's cotton, by the way. Well, as you all know, this is what keeps me sane and this is where I want to be all the time. But I have devoted much of the past year to getting the cottage sorted out and simplifying everything, making everything easier to manage and to clean. Yeah. So along with the painting, I have been sorting out the barn and I've got all these bags of stuff for the recycling, which I'll be taking into Boyle Recycling Centre on Saturday morning. So something else I want to show you, because when I was down in Sligo, I decided to go to a shop that sells bedding, and I thought I'd get myself a good quality duvet. So it's a 13.5 tog one, so that'll do me for the winter. And I also got this nice duvet cover, which again, it just lifts me, you know, it's light and bright and floral. And I got a good fitted sheet, which is one of those deep ones. Never bought one of those deep fitted sheets. So I've always kind of struggled with a sheet that's been, you know, not big enough to cover the actual mattress. So, something else I've done. Oh, and I've cleared the windowsill here. Less is more. And a little snatch here of Patsy in her little bed. She's been out for several walks this morning. And my knitting, I better show you this, I suppose, as well. May as well have a good old update on this video. It's gigantic. Is it long enough yet? I'll have to measure it. Look, see when I put it up there, you'll be able to see. Look at that. I think it must be getting there. Yeah. I'm going to get back up the ladder and I will definitely be posting you a grand finale video of the kitchen in all its glory. Before I do that, look at the kind of filth. look at the filth up there. I've been washing it. Oh. Trials and tribulations of an amateur decorator. I began the Bealtaine project in 2004 by purchasing this old cottage, which, as you can see, has been transformed, although nothing structurally done to it, a little bit added. This was the driveway up to the cottage. Well, it was a track really, it was very difficult to get up. And this is it 20 years later. I planted over 1,100 trees and dedicated this part of my life to the project. I'm recognised by the Irish government as a writer and therefore have been accredited artist status. My first book, A Cottage in 3 Acres. My second, In Search of the Goddess Rising. My third, Walking Between Worlds. And 2 booklets, Bealtaine Cottage Guide to the Deep Midwinter and The Celtic Festival of Imok. All books can be purchased through my website, and there's a link beneath each and every video. I will be posting a link into the comment section also. You can hear me read the first 2 chapters of my book, A Cottage in 3 Acres, over on my website, bealtainecottage.com. Again, there's a link beneath each and every video.